Hey YouTube, this your boy DIY Trucker Jam. Hey, what's going on, people? It's your boy right here, kenworth. Alright, let's get this hanger bearing up. Well, center bearing, I call it hanger bearing, but it's a center hanger bearing, same thing. We're gonna get that up in there, and that's be it with this video. And hopefully I might put the whole thing up, but this might be the video after this. Alright, so bear with me on this. Drop it in there. Drop it in here. Over there. Bolts, whatever you gotta get. Put this rag on this side. Get that from the other side. Let's get it. Don't get it dirty, but. Alright. Let me get this stands over here. Get some leverage on it. Put this here. Pull it out a little bit. Get up in there. Kind of awkward though, but as long as you get one in there. Whew. See if I can raise it up a little more. There you go. All right, so move that to the side. You can flex this back and forth here, so you ain't gotta worry about going crazy trying to get those up in there. Too bad that can't raise up a little more than what it is, but I just need to get this and get a bolt up in there. And we get with that, you're gonna need an 18. This right here is a 1/2 inch Milwaukee with an 18mm socket. I don't know how long the battery gonna survive, but get it up in here if it die. That's about it, really. Awkward trying to get it up in here, but let's try to go with this side then. It's a new one compared to the old one. The old one's down. I have to move one for now. So let me get one in there. Awkward trying to get it, especially when you're by yourself. That's what you have to do. Try to get a good position on it. Feet up under here at least. You know what? I don't know how to do it. There you go. Always a way to do it. Always a way to do that. You just gotta make it work. What we're gonna do here, keep it from going that way, move that nut. Yeah, sometimes you gotta move the nut. Get that up in there. There you go. You gotta make it work. Sometimes, hey man, you gotta work smart, not hard. Get that up in there. That's it. Put some Loctite on this stuff. Keep anything iron. So make sure you screw everything by hand, because you don't want to get the brushing it up in there. You can strip it. Socket. Make sure we get all of this together. Make it equal. might have to tighten this one first. Pull that out here. Get the other one in there. I gotta pull up a little more towards me. Hit the gun slow. You ain't gotta hit it hard. Yeah, you gotta hit that too hard. There you go. Just flex that out. Get these two up in here. And that's it. Go back, tighten the ones down there later. So I'm gonna get this together. This way. Tighten a little more. Get it up in here. So playing with this could be the hard part, but once you get it, you got it. Bite on that. Shaft back up over there. So right where you see that at right there, that yoke, I gotta go with the shaft back right back up under there. So let's get this together.